Pura means city. Pura means community. Pura means this world. Hita means one who does good to the world, good to others, good to the community is called as a hita. Purohita means one who does good to the world is called as a purohita. Pura also means this body. This body is called as a pura. Purohita means one who looks after this body, takes care of this body is called as purohita. Purohita also means a priest. Priest is a secondary meaning. However good is the priest, if you are not interested in looking after this body, if you are not concerned about the world, outside priest is of limited use. The purohita, everyone must become a purohita. Purohita, you are keen to look after yourself. Keen to yourself look after. Why? Because you want to look after the world also, the place you are living in. This world, this body is called as Navadvara Puri. This body, this city, Pura means also city. This city is with 9 gates. Scriptures are talking about this city has 9 gates, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils, 6. 7th one is your mouth and 2 lower apertures. This city has 9 gates. The 10th gate is at the navel umbilical cord. When the baby is born, that gate is closed. That gate is closed. The 11th one is called as Brahmarandra. Here, the soul enters into the baby in the womb through here. Soul enters through here, and the one who yogi knows, I know how I have come, I have to go in the same way. Yogi wants to depart from which gate entered, through the same gate want to go. On the other token, if I leave through any other gate, the game is not finished. I have to come back over and over again. I have come here, you know your way out. How you have come, you have to retreat in the same way. Yoga is all about that one. Unless you find out how you have come, you have to take the same gate. Same gate, the Purohita. Purohita means who knows the practice of this one. Knowing, I know which gate I have come, going through the same gate, that is the Purohita. Purohita, one who has become a Purohita, in Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna talks about Sarva Karmani Manasa Sanyasasya Sukham Vashi Navadvare Pure Dehi Naivam Karyana Vidyate. Naiva, he talks about Navadvare Pure Dehi. Naiva Kuryan, Naiva Kuryan na Karayan. One who knows the gate. Which gate I have to go? One who knows this one, that person, actions won't bind. Actions won't bind. Navadvare Pure Dehi. Though I am operating in this body, in this city, still that person, actions won't bind. That person knows the gate. This body, like in the office they say, the person who is living in the last, please turn off the light and leave. So is in this body, when you are departing, make sure that you close other gates and depart. You have to close. If you keep other gates open, easy that you will go through that one. Through the practice of yoga, a person, a yogi, knows how to shut the gates, other gates, and going through that one. Depart that soul. That is the art of dying. We know art of living, art of dying. You should return. The why I have to do that one, I am renting a house. When I am renting a house, when I am vacating, I have to hand over the house in the original condition. If I borrow something from somebody, I have to return it in the same way. If I am renting, and if I do not return in the original condition, I have to pay the penalty or the reference check. I may not get another rental property. I can't get that one. So, what it is saying, this body you have been allowed to occupy. You are a resident. It is not yours. You are a resident of this city. You have been allowed to occupy and stay here. So, you have to live diligently like a tenant living in a house. You have to diligently look after this body and depart. Because you know, this is not my body. There are many people, homeless people are there. They are waiting for a house. Many souls are out in the air. They are waiting for a body. They are waiting for a body. By God's grace, we found the body, we found a pura to occupy. So, yoga is all about look after. Look after, take care of your city. It is not easily gotten. It takes, must have done great things. That is why you got this opportunity. Look after, take care of this body and return it in original condition. And when you are departing, close other gates and find your way, retreat the way you have come. That is, when you go, that means you know the pura. You understood pura, one who understands, and Isha. Pura, Isha means Purusha. So, I know where to go. How to go? That means I know this Pura, this city, I know the way out. Understand that one. In Gheranda Samhita, it talks about 7 ways of looking after this Pura. How to look after? It talks about 7 ways. In Patanjali talks about Ashtanga Yoga. Gheranda Samhita talks about Saptanga Yoga. One is talks about Shatkarma Kriyas. Purify this body through the 6 ways of cleansing your sinus, your nasal and dhauti, your stomach up, the food pipe, and basti, your from the large intestine. How to cleanse that one? The basti kriya, dhauti kriya, and how to look after your eyes through trata kriya. How to look after your digestive fire through the Nauli Kriya, Kapalabhati, the 6 ways of cleaning, Shatkarma Kriyas. Second one, Gheranda Samhita talks about asana, make this city strong. Strong, it won't crumble easily, is asana. The third one, it talks about mudras. Mudras, so how to, mudra means lock. How to close gates, when to open the gates, how to close the gate, it talks about in the 3rd level, mudras. The 4th one, it talks about pratyahara. Pratyahara means, outside things. When to go out, when to retreat. You should know. You are a temporary resident, you should know when to go out, when to retreat. we had Easter break, so much of party, so much of socializing. You should know how much I should commit, when to I retreat, pratyahara. Then talks about pranayama, how to enliven this city, good air circulation should be there, ventilation should be there, how to keep it pure, pranayama. Then it is talking about dhyana, meditation. Then it talks about samadhi. Samadhi, the 7 ways of looking after. One who looks after this body, this pura well, then, so you look after this one, you will get a title, surname, Purohit. Everyone must aspire to become a Purohit. Means, hita means good. I want to do good for this body. I should live such a way that I should do good to the community. I should live such a way that I should do good to the world. When you have that aspiration, you will get a title Purohit. Purohit, and loose meaning is priest. But everyone must become a Purohit so that you are healthy, you are looking after this one, you are vacating this city in a virginal condition. That is the gratitude we are giving to the Creator. When you are doing that one, when the tenant is looked after the property very well, real estate agent will be very happy with that one. Do you want any house? Do you want any more house? Can I find another one? So you become dear to the Creator who allowed to stay here. So the message for this term, become a Purohit. Look after, not to this abuse this one. This is not cannot be gotten easily, and let us all aspire to become a Purohit.